077 Sanso and Uti Yanka, our DAB so for London. A chain so Uti Yanka, our DAB Plus for Manchester, Eurobed and Astra TV, and our Galaxy 25. We are live on Facebook, and then Send Medical Board, Maniano, Facebook, near live, our Rainbow Radio UK. Rainbow Radio UK. We who Honti, Ukudru ha, na fi, washe, Udruho, na. Obi amaya ba mane se wadru ho na yenso yente wonka enen so adomadom yen ye BWF Solicitors for Asia what legal education no ebre yen na yemfa won kra ento eja na yento aso
Stand up from the crowd and go to BWF Solicitors. For the best advice from legal, immigration applications and appeals, court representations, interpretation of UK and Ghana laws, property and money disputes, social services issues with Shobet and BWF Solicitors and Rebel Seminar. BWF Solicitors. Come talk to us and that's your legal problems. Your fourth floor and a house 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters, London N15 or MP. Find us and talk to us Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Telephone 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884 or 079 3141 1042.
Hello, this is BWF Solicitors. How may I help you?
BWF Solicitors. We know the law. We are your voice. Come to us.
Yeah, we know the voice. We know your voice. We are your voice. We know the law. We are so abreast with all the differences and updates and NT Bray. Your telephone number no ebio 0208 493 7340 and no BWF Solicitors or more telephone number. We are Monday to Friday, a free and a part 9:30. Echo C and number 6 o'clock. And I'll be 077 127 61884. Every also say yeah the opening our about yen cheng and pay at ja. Opening our bay senior partner my BWF Solicitors Uncle Ben or yen cheng or ha and then so adum yen oni yen eba be di education your home and come. Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning, Quaker.
Nyame adum ye ho yen also.
Nyame na daru.
The Nyame say. Yes say as you say let June be the end of May.
Yeah, who say for sending around and say union of the brain typically you will come and say the brain support labor because say almost before Enyatima before
Okay.
You were Ghana and say yeah the conservative yeah it's an policies in the but you know we'll see. And the same influence will be a vote.
Yeah. Go share your social media so a lot of videos and information there. Me ma choba akwa ekwa me pese me bisa any health surcharge no. It's like a be one.
Well, kwaku health surcharge our effect our more applications. In the sense say obi ewo kromohana or application for extension na ewo se utimi etua sesika na ohwe a omonso omoye sa extension applications usually no omoye nkrofo a se be a single parent and as omo adwuma nheda nkoyie enti scanner mo di application fee ne struggle what your application fee na wie no sika or sign at the etia surcharge you struggle. But the unfair part of sa policy say wabeye obi a when you sit now we adwuma we your contribution and tax towards your social support that will promote na almost charge you and then I feel say unfair was almost a policy.
Okay. I was for yeah program is so there yeah and it's Yama Quenya Emma or the text message FI and WhatsApp and answer text message line also 07961260006 07961260006 and answer over free 0208 133 4646 0208 133 1134 and you shall we wait mama call no abba I come way last week or the buy or the free Ghana na yen try say bit me aboa no kakra was say court liquidate wo fie awato without much information about federal litigation no for 5 years now until he in free court no and no e dey onye say court liquidate wo fie as say
well I use the wrong word first of all no say what they obika near be brave no betimi aye so some no court na court na gitrim sa wo de meka ye ma she say tia the mouse she say say tia no way tia the panel betimi aye attachment order come if an attachment order and as a garnish order garnish order no basically and say bibia will be no modi omun sabeka I don't know what happens is court bailiff you know omo valuation or obi ba evaluation na yen turn market price because ye turn she sa you be who say sedan you valued maybe a typical airport sales down you're looking at $1 million sedan worth $1 million because some person bo boni ja near ya the penny sika no man maybe a beka see a turn $700,000 $700,000 yeah I feel you have a lawyers cat almost torn down auctioneers no ness animal no cause almost liquidate here it seems almost torn down
okay
because to say liquidation no what it means is a physically no money sika and it's a friend of liquid tonight I friend of liquid cash
okay
but the process is very involving and it was span over several months if not a couple of years typical Ghana case but court maybe to say 2 years and say any pay it has all Dubika or the bank account when to me court a year order it may be say a default judgment usually how we default judgment nipa na unya judgment against no obetimi asan court because say you can see default judgment or my merit case no merit
okay
but I assume says someone liquidate here not just on no am ho kwan because sometimes no be on you na police for abem ni abecho na you know auctioneers aba no ma be ton down no ti na just say sika no ma ton maybe any sika ni chefa hu no ana am my say no na my there and he also o man lawyer edin akote no timi court no ko jene chefa no ma
okay well obin so at the there aba or say or switch it from 10 years to 5 years 10 months in and now this application no atum after acknowledgement letter onya bibia on TBBM free omo watro omo it is 6 months watro omo and afi was send the email complaints which is over 20 days in nothing bibia ni wa aba and go ben obey
well first of all more extensions renewals application under the FLRFP delays were because SAR procedure started 2012 July. And some application 2012 July. No, yeah, the memo towards the end of 2012.
Okay.
2.5 years they were called 2015 plus into 2016. Subsequent applications because by now you knew Nankofu knew. And around this time, almost year beginning, almost air call for extension.
Okay.
Anna almost year fresh and so almost into first now a fresh phone call and application. And on that time, no be why I create to be application 2 months, then your decision. So see I'm a potential you're looking at a minimum of about 4 months up to a year. Okay. So case in yes straightforward it could go up to a year because all switch are straightforward but still no or grounds and assessment until so much comprehensively no more decision but once I will biometric I would me to also yeah Juma dear. I can say cause but the way and no another complaint request. The bill makes me be some more update. Now much stage okay case.
There's a 10 months, it's within the period.
I am normal. Bad 3 days my lawyers in the back Frederick. Now or can our applications be ID around 10 months or person your complaint or bouncing off me let's say the BLC.
Okay. Obin so abisa said Paul deed obetimi aye wo internet so Paul deed akaben Paul deed e day na ye betimi aye no online
what done in the other way around you did Paul.
Okay.
Yeah, did Paul nature said deed what is a Saudi and so person Saudi what your character na obi a witness amount. Well, yes. What I always say to people is normally with legal services cost are important. No internet cost considerably cheaper. Okay? But with a solicitor what you get a legal document solicitor a witness amount possibly well drafted ukra or even I'll be to me a friend.
Okay.
Usually with the internet communication is usually by email.
Okay.
And I say online portal. And yes, we are not online. I'll bet draft document in Abril, but I yet valid. I just said, oh, what sign it will be any now. I now you're valid.
Okay. Over to me, I sharing our Facebook Live. Jonathan Arthur, da Siki said what they about. O comments no so over to me a day. About you about the comment about our Facebook. Now, and only the very first question. Maybe say say surcharge, NHS surcharge, ebe kostro and msanka ben a year no ntimi about the bar Facebook. And thank you very much. When you Rainbow Radio Dash UK and I say Rainbow Radio UK and Facebook Live and intisha no so sa and mommy. Or question and no concerns so between me WhatsApp and answer text messages so 079 612 60 006 079 612 60 006. And I'll say between your voice note. Your voice note and I'm your but men fret WhatsApp number no. Your voice note. To say the any idea or the abend. Jacob so your voice note.
Yeah.
Yeah, answer na Kuben be Ian or Mr. say oh your voice no mo no call microphone no na edurebia na tiko asibsebia awasem na obi tibia and no so betimi aboni kwapo any Uncle Ben batcho yin no.
Well, unfortunately the question not very clear. Also my application when you letter back say I suspended na court suspended na the court and very clear. Meaning Mr. put your thoughts together here. Now, I found a question, bro. Because Home Office is suspended BBR. So, because the Home Office are curtailing the leave, not just a way trap or Satan so, and also we revoke, not just a way year free okra. You're suspended BBR. So, why invalid application? That's different. Why application? Am I here refuse soon to us no quarter and also you're different. But when your application mark, Home Office and Cassie are suspended. There's nothing like that. Mr. Osabra back near area was 7 years.
You for so idea one area so no idea no between. Mr. Also your voice note is medical cano. But what do you say Obama one no call Mike no akasaka sekakra.
Good morning, good morning, Uncle Ben. Morning. I think I couldn't advice no so kakra. Me young could be aware an application for FLR. Friendly player, my son cannot. He said,
Mr. Mo, linear idea, Ubi Fre WhatsApp line, oh, Fra, Ebe cut in the voice no na ye bono. Ti Mr. Sentinel Medica one will say, Men Fre a year WhatsApp number no. Na, oh dear, oh, per your two voice, your voice note, and no dear, meet me about at the amount, but oh, Fra. Say will be the wakatino, which of course is not even fair onto the person. Ti wa ofre WhatsApp number no, Mr. Jai. Well, I'm going to tell you call wow yes I Mr. Jai na yes na o disturb program no wa papa Mr. Wa wadaruma. Yemfa we or say on the documents are home office for renewal for the FLR. The BWF say on jai adwuma since the visa no expire and san wo dis adwuma no wonya acknowledgement letter bia or bitimi dia kire ofre home officer omo say on kan kire na adwuma for and answer the offer the adwuma no say we use ECS e wo mo website no so o say be take any employer no say be take 7 days and san adwuma no wetimi edi which is up to the 31st of this month. ECS no anko ben e dey then will be to me at the ayo na home office for a right and answer the employer na right.
Well, first of all, we your application. Application here were 2 times. Your European law and your immigration rules. To say in the ADA or say FLR, federal leave to remain, which obviously tells me say immigration law. ECS near employer check-in service. Obi a employer will come here or a share says or fat will be where you and answer will be here Jumamano. Na or a share or behe send the panel to me and will come as obey Juma. An internet of Visano, where I want your passport, no my copy. Say Barbie Wua, no my ball cocoa. So Vesano Barbie Woo, and tea, 2 Namamona for renew. Obi obey application beyond the immigration rules. So we know before our application visa no be war. Protection under the law. I a friend of section 3C protection. First only a friend of volume variation of leave order of 1976. Almost a son I will see a friend of section 3C. Section 3C I did Tiana sir. Young fan say why we a year. What application no year no your mal visa no up to your friend say June this year. Until June this year no, we bet me your application in May. But 1 year in May, everyone say be 12th of June. And at 12th of June now I would do application no call. Under section 34, and paragraph 34 of the immigration rules. So we post 2 application no on the same day by post and now courier we are protected.
Okay.
And once 1 year application and son award in section 3C no protect you essay. Obia 1 year application. Not time 1 year application and a certain no enwi. Say any panel ye fano say na certain no yasa atremu kopem time obete home office.
Okay.
The problem I have with the employer check-in service is that I'm not proactive, I'm not current, I'm database delayed. Into one application now very unlikely. So because they are in TSCA, they are in processing. What they always do is that they will write back to the employer and say one of three things. Either say ni pay yes utimi ye adwuma, and answer ni pay yentimi en confirm say obetimi aye adwuma, and answer say ni pay memfa onsa enka no or ye adwuma manonko. Now this is my argument.
Okay.
Employer no when you're protected by employer checking service under employment law. Employer-employee relationship are governed by statute. You say, and sana will be suspend you, I will say for reasonable grounds. Now, reasonable grounds no are subjective and yet objective. The employer not feel say reasonable grounds no, and then a law no say which me so. We case to say McLaurie versus post officer. Reasonable grounds includes making necessary checks with the Home Office.
Okay.
Reasonable grounds includes seeking legal advice. Reasonable grounds includes interviewing your employee to find out why. It is a Home Office any pay, won't me apply no, I don't want to mean confirm. But why you no interview under the disciplinary procedure or confirm some of the court, the lawyer actually was set out the legal position under Section 3C, possibly here in the area, some copy of the Section 3C. It is the employer's duty to then proceed. Not on any lawyers in Kokasa. So saying you're free, the employee lawyer. But what I find with some employers is at that point, you know, almost suspended without wages, without pay.
Okay.
Now that's unlawful. That is unlawful deduction of wages, and it's indirectly will affect employee and so employee in so be judgment.
Okay.
Say affecting no ntimi ntua na banka ntimi didia obetimi a file for compensation. Na Ghana for no bebre na your family nyame. Enti employer me say na no afa garden leave, no akotena fini ntua. What I say to them is fight back. The first process in this refer case in our acres.
Okay.
Acres A free, we call online, I'll be to me a refer more. Or be intervene, or be try some resolve. So my resolve what? Then you have a chance to proceed to the employment tribunal. Now issue proceedings.
0208 133 4646 0208 133 1134. Mr. Ofra, no do radio no. No akasa our telephone no so at the mind. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Oh, line so wait us. Okay. When you're ready, I'm main fat will be for hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Oh, and I'm saying technical name no. I can't move you. You fact text message for now. Ebi enu ho na etimi ansort. Or say Nancy on your private parking ticket. And I enter judgment against no. Or Chokoma court the reasons of say Nanima me a yare and a Maoko Pake ewo. Where ma traveling tickets any date of return. Or Nanima me yare in Kansa. And time or by year. Because the case was in court the first time and I was able to argue my case and was postponed for another hearing. Still, judgment went against me whilst I was away. If I refuse to accept the cost and not pay the fine, what will happen next? I don't even know the car. I have the car anymore, and this is a private company. What me am I not advise me?
Well, first of all, no tickets near what types? They will cancel local authority, metropolitan police. And then 100%. You're almost the bar. I was so doing okay? Okay. You know, I can tell in the last 10 years, many be about 10. Macron, my winning in Bakupen and Lusui.
Okay.
Bakubia and see Mako Pomo some dearby. My appeal on the photographs number. I may catch my wife say, Kufu, you see also. Photograph is soon say. Very likely say, I'm a manager no become because the problem with private parking is a private property. It's not government property and our local authority. It's a private person, so amount adequate notice adequate. Seven park here. Now park here. Or who to me say about ticket. Yes, the way you're right. Unfortunately, no, I'm processing go through the usual parking tribunal. If you want angel, if you want temple, and I say chancery lane. And you almost special adjudicators are almost now 99% which challenge in a sometimes my you know
okay.
What I say is madam for one issue twice here because what happens in this so could be bailiffs in sir or boa about 80 pounds.
The minimum bailiff value is 75.
Okay. And one per once a month, either say we challenge the decision and answer will be here. But I say this to everyone. You know your mistakes. Okay? Maybe I will be here. Maybe I will be a top.
Annual ticket. Okay.
But sometimes, you know, we bet me on Jawka, baby, not refi. To some place in the parquet. Or as me do. Gate here.
No, okay, say ticket too.
It happens all the time.
Okay.
But what I say to people, they say, there were laws and regulations. There were regulations governing parking tickets. So sign the genuine corrector or challenge you, I'll be winning. And as I've said in the last 10 years, I think I've done about 10. I've won 9. Me, I'm more demanding, and I always challenge it. As I speak to you, I've got one in the pipeline now. My challenge you more. Me yeah, Baba Coco, more evidence on there, but mechanical cry, mechano. It's so dark. So, me sure say the panel now feel say, usual, we order the ticket to the man will be here. But you know, I will be an money ticket. I'll challenge it.
0208-133-4646, 0208-133-1134. Hello, good morning.
Yes, hello, good morning, Doctor.
Ed is saying, Maza.
Hello.
Ed is saying. Why not? I can't add on, but what's you why?
Hello, good morning, Ben.
Hello, good morning, Media Ben. To say?
Yes, sir. But you I not person before there. The person may call out to EU national, non colonial or Ghana.
Yeah.
But the person media mobile, and my DNA, but DNA issues keep on a woman and you're back.
Okay.
Now, okay, so that's a different matter. But see, I know, we just say, when I'm not from bed, I will stop there. I call on the back. Of course, DNA need to show there. I call on the back.
Of course.
I can't do what I make with the number. I mean, the Ghana should be happy to be this.
Okay. Okay. Now, assume, sir, Akolano, or no banner, your banner, or moving on my near back.
Yes, two, only me back, both the number plan is me back together.
No, the maker say, I'm my near back.
Mommy was my ex-girlfriend, but Omote me brother and chain from for about 10 years now. Omote me brother and chain from Ghana.
Why I can make you one session? Question of BBC View. They say, Mommy a back.
Daddy, Mommy Ghana. Sorry, line means the question.
And Kalani me knew ewo Mame Baku, and now omo different mothers.
Mame Baku, sorry, Mame Baku.
Okay. And naturally, sir, we to me a casa where we're extended family member. What you need to do is I was setting our case, strongly with a covering letter. Okay? Now explain our position, with the DNA, for DNA also count. Now explain. So the only reason I bear my back with DNA, they say, or GDS Akolani and the back, and into we DNA. Now, near my Wayama Kolani in the past, pictures are much training in a funny in our account. Now your application and album, you know, why?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Right, thank you too. 0208 133 4646 0208 133 1134. Or text number 079 612 60006. Uncle, we say or the name home Niama Ako Home Office. oh, text me what the abadada into my call offer for so. Back we are the card, you know, a buy, you know, parking ticket, no. Or say car, no. He doesn't own the car anymore. And he still on Cosum Kutia, so private ticket.
Well, I'm sorry. You can't only happen 1 year per until you can't what to kill you or what to wire day. I will pass 1%, £80, £100, maybe between 2,000. You're very careful the chair.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But any Uncle Ben in Casa, why?
Hello.
Any Uncle Ben in Casa?
Casa Miti, Casa Metonka.
Oh, okay. Me did say, you will sort it problem, no, our na me for question me a man could be na yambra na yamamifa. Hello, all line also, yet to count. Hello.
Uncle Sam, good morning.
Good morning.
That's your issue being the customer application about Ghana over to an enemy.
Okay.
Not the same as I said, Christopher Ford, Akolano, that is school, a junior.
Okay.
Now, obvious school, no, we are application at the school lecture near the man again.
I am Pacho was sitting there.
I'm here, British.
Now, Colana Nima.
Nema no Ghana, but Akolane, dear, Mina Mission, Aqueste, Kama Oni, no, Nema me at the Akolano, Ebija, Memame, in Aqueste, Akolane, Nema me Crano, the Nimun next to Quincy say.
I am Obano Wedia. Wedia, or I'm fearing.
But Oban, what did you say?
Or 15 years.
Now, one Otako Ghana.
Otako Ghana.
But I'm in Taco Ghana.
Okay, in the last 15 years, and one how many times?
In the last 15 years, one more how many times?
Yeah. In the last 15 years, man, that one best 3 or 4 times.
Yeah, okay. You focus on the team here, why? Now, first of all, I'm concept be I am a taka, I have a sole responsibility. Sole responsibility, and as a parental responsibility. But the correct phrase here, sole responsibility. Kwaku sole responsibility, I didn't kind of say. Sir, obi aya woba. Na awofo mienu nyina eni UK. Ana se baako wa ha a baako ne akola na eba. Ana se baako wa ha baako na ka baabi. Se wo pese odi sa akola no ba. E wo se wo kire se na didiem na ndem na dam fo fam ni school ko. Ne yare na sorry kom. Ne ha wo ana wo ye. Na eno no nyesika because ya wa ha de ya no yesika 15 years 4 times. What it means is that when you need a brabo together, it may be said you know near certain into now, but phobia or make us with Dorobana and Kawakotan in chain. What you need to do with these things, as I always say, evidence. And when you school Lucasa, telephone calls, records, very likely, we are WhatsApp call. Man say, was WhatsApp, between me, I was quite surprised because my papa on your internet survey.
The only answer the WhatsApp from.
The only answer the WhatsApp. You know, or to stage, but I could get a man 1 week. It was my uncle and we don't quite see it.
Right.
Now, so, important. So, WhatsApp now, the year caller. Last, me demonstrate chairman, Sena, Obeya, Ubitini, and Nyasa record. Emails. Text messages. Ningina a very important evidence of contact. Now, once I your application now, physically, no, I will say what the evidence be actually. Usually will be a document. It should be in the paper form. And how do you exhibit sɛ ɔba no wofrɛ no sɛ ɔba no wohu no sɛ ɔba no wofrɛ no school ɔyare a wofrɛ GP anaa wofrɛ doctor anaa nurse wona wotua fees ne nyinaa yɛ documentary evidence. Ideally what I suggest is sɛ ɔbakɔ clinic a nansɛ Ghana obi use email most of it koraa wɔ telephone so ɛnti wo ne doctor no nhyehyɛ sɛ ɔba no biribiara fa no yare no wonnyɛ no telephone call ba wobɛyɛ no email ɛnti wo srɛ no wobisa wo nso wansa wo accumulate saa evidence no over a while money transfers physically traveling out of Ghana or passport stamps or ticket so I luggage tax and it be evidence of work Ghana who do so photographs out in the trap ebi kura or the co school and school no only teachers na kushia photo because you say photo no lie meaning same photo near Photoshop there but you're very careful when you say evidence in now file banaba now bet me the but in the present circumstance ultimately can say compassionate and compelling circumstance be war one for number and then ya na brabo say then there's almost an impossibility say bet me the number. My concern is you have to do more.
0208-133-4646. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, because I can see that.
Now, person with visa question and mini a penny back. But so I made the application called home office. And I did the teaching number. Now, I first not other chain. So, no, will be the meeting. Will be when we send me, will be the meeting. I could get some money over it. My application called home number chain is me
okay.
And then now, Catherine medical almost a man meeting this time. I make a show almost remember this until when I almost aware, almost the idea I'm making on the 13. So be declared
okay.
The 13 a best year only. And I'm so catch almost the idea free.
Okay.
Now, almost a year the decision here, so now the passport are with you on the phone. You can't correct question. Almost the passport look by and no more deciding now. Almost not provide the passport to make a whole say free you. Almost you do about the two. Ataka, the passport no up.
Over the day, it didn't know I can't have a say. Then I'm going to buy.
If you call now, the passport.
Matthias, almost true good paper so and answer about the passport in a braille. Almost true good paper so and I'm the passport in a braille.
Hello?
Almost true good paper so and I'm the passport in a braille.
Almost the passport now.
Now, what's your DB way? Our passport. Would Nipano passport and on the umbrella and our passport.
Passport, passport.
And I said, I said, we need problem. There, until Omadi was sitting on a mawana.
Omadi was sitting on a mawana.
Okay, and the Nipano say a gun okay, well, area be your immigration desk. And some Middlesex, Stages Park, over London, London Bridge. Over to me, I do 2 passports and the world. I could catch immigration for the that's me. I will catch me. Now the passport back on one hand and the back of mom and watching the receipt. Why? Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, for 0208. Well, I'm going to change the lines in a year of Kakreni, but we'll manage it. Hello, good morning. Aha, any Uncle Ben and Casa.
But I'm not many Uncle Ben.
But you would see why.
Well, that's all. Look how far the youth is done about. Or the way. Or the way and the movie in that country. And Japana wouldn't in your mamma. Now, Obama said, you see my year, a 2 and a some of their money. 2.5 years. And I can move it as 2.5 years on German. Or find to get you to the Yaman.
I hear my advice. Why? Yen Casasa Ewokum. Why? I say Yen Casasa Ewokum. Who create problems? I'm a whoop, a bano, and our bano. Okay? Because the whole culture is a Obana committed criminal offense. Who culture is Obana what committed criminal offense? Now, cross on the movie.
Yeah, can what you say? Hello? Okay, Maminja or not, Maminja, because who would you know? Mommy, at the same. Good morning, at the same.
I don't know.
Never to acquire the old tea, why?
Good morning, you. Tita. Yes. Chayo, indefinite, I can't have a bone, indefinite, denture, bone, no, indefinite. She echo a Wolonion, alone passport, Naomi. Alone residence card there, like a bahaboy. Only a time. Residence card and 10 years is an Oyahi Kuklu. She indefinite denture, a boom, cry, on.
And so, because
she am indefinite leave, you mean?
Hello?
I'm indefinite leave, you mean? Alone. I'm indefinite.
2024
None in BOG, no, Woloni. I'm indefinite leave to remain, you mean? Alone.
Settlement.
Yeah. We try to. What she let go. She can't then is an check 2024.
Okay, you mean, can you
Koba renewal, or can you be Bafita any track 2 years before renewal? We are still on your man. You all pay slips called bank statements. Nakai, I feel like Nakai. Time 2024, no, I'm a small 2 years documents. You, commission Oboya radio. Not also line on Yanti, Mamentua, mankind, so.
Okay.
In Yamiu, Noni Gigi, care a habo indefinite leave to remain, indefinite leave to enter, permanent residence, right of abode, no, are not subject to immigration control. The can be ne, I'm a bo, beja afumi. She, Abanya kema nukono, Abanya kema passport me, Abanya kema wuluno, Abanya kema card no, natural resident permit, allo residence card there. A card there ni bagbo, she boshi ile a boku. Nome woni ke ukenya, ake uya renew card there, allo ya visa kukulun ke wo passport me. This are okay 2 years documents after he. Mana ni koye indefinite no she no ya himan kokulu no 2 years kese but try ke oshile afomi e woni o ya for renewal le koneka fair ke oshimana ni for 2 years no okay 2 years documents fitai no ke ya choma ke o last 2 years na ishikuma na me be still.
Well, sorry. Now I said last 2 years, me fun say what 2.1 or 2 beer. Obetimi indicate say me koi be me di 2 weeks, me di 3 weeks.
Yeah. From no bisa. And I think so ya true. Law so aka say obia watching outside for more than 2 years, so indefinitely permanent residence expire indefinitely leave no be lose our right. I just said meet certain requirements.
Okay.
I have for a returning resident. This our requirement no yashisha wo I will see with this.
Okay. 0208 4646 0208 1134. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. I'm the library of
And how much do you got about your father? What's in the
Kati, but anyway,
Ma, as I say, what's in the car? Can question no question in the and be here on what you already do. My entire question, no why? Coffee, my home message in our Facebook, right?
Well, first of all, sir, open will babet my ha, Memphis bound a visit. You know, I wrong. I'm Sir Nancy Amon, sir. I'm Sir British High Commissioner Organ Jonathan. Only MPC maybe AD. Because Nipanokas or visitor or the commoner. I wrong under the law, no, I offense, and any of the 320s and 321. Meaning our sponsor will be no bar no anqua. It may affect you because special workers are your bar. Oba the other only needs to sumo. And Minna who's on my casa or radio news. I think he doesn't know what he's talking about. It doesn't matter, send the panel or bano anqua indirectly. It may be sir welcome. And yet advisable, sir, or the oba at the bar, not the intention is our person now. What will happen is omit me a keep application would be in a normal deporting into a person mobile for Kwana Yashishano so omit me use 297 and also omit me use FM route, you know, eligibility leave to enter either as a partner or as a child of a person with permanent or indefinite leave to remain.
Now I'm
so seeing
breaking. Okay, I think the small strategy we use to say about amount for okay, customers we are now could be here no. What's here our radio no so because I don't know why it's giving us that. We can say what hello. Hello.
Yeah,
good morning. That is saying. I'm to be our question. No, can you know full? Obey here no what you radio no so why.
Answer me no. Last week here kind. Oh, still way under the EA regulation 2016. We need to be under the regulation so we could create another family member or the number. Or family member no or family member no we could more time and now worry about on the obit me I am. nti oba okoware no afi na we could create relationship no the aware no so on the ultimate yama na possible. I just say when you're permanent residence and so
0208-133-4646 0208-133-1134 Mr. Ofra senior and the lines no my Warwick Accra no Ofra na waka question ni nyina na afi ankabena yi ano no wati ewo radio no so amame mame try we na in context messages na kakra so. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How is it? Okay. Line break now what's it? What's it can you? Okay. What you can wasn't in your money in see. I'll lawyer be you and what you were reading. So why?
Actually, the cook for the young man 2.5 and a 1 year, the cock will renew. The person who are there 2 months and I'm in 2 or Monka. Now, the employers know some Muhammad or more 30 on the image. But just 3 days ago, and I'm a letter. We flew home to inquire biometric. Now, according to the letter, no, covering letter, almost my application raises issues relating to the European Convention on Human Rights, which are complex in nature. As such, it falls outside our normal service standard for deciding leaving to remain application. Please be assured that you will make a decision on your case as quickly as possible. You know, my fact, many partners not the young people if I look for as a parent. You know, who say, how they say, almost say, it's complex applications. You know, we have almost become 2.5 another time. We are just a renew. You remove after the head then. They're going to decide on my case in the management. I'm not in fact, I'm little this case. And I think for how long now? And it's just 2 months now. I'm looking for biometric. My biometric area. And how long now? And I'm making me deciding the case. Thank you very much.
You that's Uncle Ben.
well could be no be 10 months until you know up to 10 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
We say are a settled person or person okofa now so your application money ba we 15 years no no bet na e wo UK ha abofra no birth certificate bra wo your passport amano wo Ghana no birth certificate na ayira e dey no betimi aya fa ho say oye new one e be show current date obetimi agi letter be from passport office e dey attach say the birth certificate no ayira whilst all years eligible in obetwi as NHS fee no obey English test and another person now they buy Facebook so no bisa NHS fee no or say one can say the increase and increase one can be able to be attached question no you know
Yeah. Well, first of all, no, NHS fee, no, it can go up. It can go up anytime. It's just as home office applications in the cost room. It's me a cost room possible, but it seems for now, no, things almost year review. And I'm up again at 200 a year and a 150 for students a year. And yeah, assume for now it's okay. Now who said what's a big around said over to my conservatives and also you know people create all sorts of me who manifest me who be sir. The other part, you know, sir Opesa Kofana Babano. Sir Akola under 16 now but for settlement untia NHS and as immigration health surcharge obia oba ahabia or over 16 utia okay however say we will be a okofa obano under 297 and on untia health surcharge regulation of 2015 ultimately ebisa secretary of state for waiver timua more problems with paying. Ubetimi ebisa or here almost shadows now. Power or more exceptions. Exception will be a Article 3 application, asylum application, so you need a year will be a application for domestic violence. A bill Secretary of State in what discretion said obey waive surcharge. Until a problem ubetimi ebisa normal waive. Obana okofana abano important so obechere say your back, it is a birth certificate in a Korean new me advice and say your DNA test, na father bra, because said there are issues with our birth certificates in Ghana. It is always advisable, say birth certificate, you know, and your birth certificate are your woo akolano, I am the man. Me advice and say your DNA, and yes, issues our Ghana about the relationship.
Sir, letter now, passport office be on me, and the Akahuamana no any necessary.
Well, DNA no better answers our question, you know. So you're in the pass or you're a birth certificate on the passport now, you are, and I'll call you for fraud. But who cases on my cousin? I hear there now, why a birth passport? Because passport to know ya, or would you birth certificate? I use a birth certificate in a time after you issue passport. Which means I didn't know I could give a fraud. And to say we have DNA, you don't necessarily need any letter from the passport office.
Okay. When so a bisa or say obetimi adopted and kwadam you know from different mothers, but they are all one family members.
Yes, why not? Yeah, inter-country adoption procedure. Last week, very, very gratifying. Say a Bayana sign Omway Convention in relation to children and adoption. Just that part, which means again, adoption apart from Greece and Spain, will be recognized. So our members, 198 members, no recognize it. All those adoption, 99 members pen assigned that part. Into adoption, follow Ghana procedure this year. Which me adopt to a Colibia, meaning some moratorium, that's the Oma can say, Colana, you're a family member, and an extended family member. Okay. And your only adoption now, procedure, I know you're very difficult. But I was a certificate of eligibility, EFRIA. And a Ghana, so I was a social services, I could report. Now, I'm permission. Now, with me, the start the adoption process. It's important so we follow our procedure. Okay. Case be a may say you win in Obako. And I almost actually social welfare and social welfare trouble say now I say a client and consult be a one coji. Okay. But you win it. I don't want to the court. But almost chum cost ba. You win is our case. Anyway, my social welfare, I'm going to respond there. My send you my email. Say, I'm going to court order and that's a genuine answer. That's the issue. Once our adoption order, so we follow Ghana procedures, one follow. Court of competent jurisdiction, and the amount, say adoption, the amount. I'm going to satisfy. So procedure, now, I was a banner in Naba. Or children actor. Or court procedures and judges with discretion. Some by a decision. Okay.
0208-133-4646. And when we say our 10-year discretionary route to so, or change the court 5 years through the British wife.
Yeah.
The first 2.5 years, no, expired January 2018. Into a will be say, a bang any the earliest possible time, or waiting year renew. 3 months from expired dates, nana. The question that tossing you was say English test no level bang and now bet me a use for both the next renewal and then the permanent residence.
English renewal no English no for renewal your level A2 for indefinite leave a B1. So we'll switch here main train time on now switches here or time I would be under 10-year route a shego and court was 5 years. 2% switch here switches here.
0208-133-4646. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You. Me ba cho what's am no I be sending na money si na obe you are no na what you radio no so me why. Okay.
About the application for permanent residence when you unfortunately you're right. Now, that's why we are not trained. I'm going to come to 9th November because then they did with the law,
yeah.
And now, I'm going to let the brain for biometric now in December. We are in November, sorry, 22nd November, sorry. Now, I'm going to let the brain on the 9th December. na yɛkɔɔ yɛ me na me ba no deɛ ne protectfoɔ no sɛ ɔmo kane a ɛngo through meyɛ ɔno no deɛ ɛna mekyerɛɛ wɔ mo ma ɔmo de sɛ ɛbɛkyerɛ participants wɔka ɔmo san sɛnde new one wɔ me ba no ɛdeɛ ɛbaeɛ 17 December ana meme certificate of application no by 21st on from Patona Church in the day yes, and maybe the end by 23rd December. The certificate of application, and I'm managed the end by 7th January.
Yeah.
Now, move to see or music 26th November. My minute to from 22nd November, maybe the application may call you, and you're going to say, this month 29th, no, not this month. But almost a month.
Yeah.
It's money because it makes me as well, and also because the money they delay you know. Now it's in the bad customer.
Ohima, ubetimi afra won, ubetimi atwa won. No, let's say what the application bar 6 months. I was somewhere your decision. 6 months and abba. And your data, I'm not sure where your data will the coin. To 6 months and abba. I was somewhere your decision. Why? To fair and natural. Why? Okay. Oh, there be him. I'll go internet in so I'll see UKBA enquiry telephone. Why? Okay.
Yes. Good luck and my telephone line and queen my so we'll with the end. Try with so hello, good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
That is saying. Okay. Oh, any uncle Ben Gasson.
October 2015, I got married 2.5 years. We knew at British. The marriage between the visa, according to on one side, the VD yellow, no, I'm saying, we are British, I'll be to me apply indefinite, in a 3-year period.
In the day? What was it apply today?
No, indefinite.
3 years.
We are British, we are British. When are you eligible to apply for the friendly center indefinitely to remain?
Oh, yeah, sure, says I can you, right? What can you, right? And to say, what can you?
Okay, me be question.
Oh, me can also what kind of internet and so.
They are okay and enormous today. Hello? Hello? Oh, sorry, so I won't take. They're okay. Hello?
Hello?
They're okay, you know. They're okay, you know, almost today. Then okay, read the new so unfortunate. I remember you were a few of them were Facebook Live, no so. Now, William Amamu say, our asylum case, our chain.
Yeah.
Na onim nipa obetimi agina no so e den obetimi aye.
Well, Ghana who asylum, you might as well just take your bags and go because Ghana had no asylum problem there. Even gay for crying out the out about they are successful. And okay, meaning the India okay.
Okay. Yemnia ba Gifty say over 2.5 years on any kunu. Omo e won kwadami no from Ghana ba kwedi 17 ba kwedi 13. Omo betimi aye DNA na omo betimi de omo aba since omo mienu nyina e wo 10-year route no so na say yes application the boy say.
Well, omo fee no it's about £1,400 each. Our immigration fee. A biometria somewhere 17 betia NHS surcharge. Now Monsha was sitting in a year. Sitting be outside the rules, be within the rules. All those 2.5 years, EX1 or still not a part of the rules becomes a rules, a complete code and a part of the rules. But more ready into the grant and more happy panel the buyer. Can you be a 2 and a house a bit to be a funny barber?
Okay. When so our Facebook no so be na main fa Emrani and she was say or your British citizen or what say no ye juma e Germany. Ne ywe opesa ne ywe ebeka ne ho. Eno nti obi sa se obetimi a file application no sa article 50 semi ya ene na mu obetimi a yes application na dia money.
We are British article 50 beyond found. Yes, obetimi ama o yere abeka ho.
Okay. 0208-133-4646. But you do radio no. Do radio no Mr. What? Hello, do radio no mami. Hello. Good morning. This our question, right?
Yeah. Okay.
I can say be
we application be here. Why?
I be
will be anywhere so some of the letter through be out. I be a day of the Nipanaji application about law no say oh about banning under 18 or banning a British and now this 7 years and now indefinite. What I heard. That's it. That's all. No, I don't know. Why? We hear you, okay? I did share so your BWF certificate. I did share so your British, the British passport. I did share so when I read a letter from GP, letter from school.
Why, TV radio as well.
Okay. Obi our EX application, agent on about British, so about this 7 years, and on about indefinitely. Under eligibility leave to remain, PT, which is a parent. If it be EX1, and what they are trying to say, so we a parent. Now we to me, I try to say a castle bano in free hire reasonable, or the buy them out. Rule na dear can. Now, so why I say cast a documents, bra, yeah, share documents are a chess a colon in letter, and to school letter, no, my address bebaso, GP letter, my address bebaso. Say, me pana on a channel or person my letter fine, but one mawa and yadia affect the application. Because dear chess would test address, no, and the GP letter, any school letter now when you're maybe crying when your document be a far address or with you, and then you're worried about it, okay? Because your application.
Okay, and when we say, ni case, no, in Ghana, but what you came say, nipa no waka asylum seminar. Also be voice, but the American say, wait me after BWF Solicitors office or Sabria Board 1023 office no EBA dada number no 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and answer ube send a text and answer for 077 127 61884. Into William, message no and no year. Then it's don't cost say Uncle Ben wait to confirm say accompanying letter for 10-year route na a standard letter and now say overthrow letter no for like an individual case. Because I say maybe you hire na or say unprofessional intimidating.
Well, first of all, we have application. I was so set it out clearly. Adia will apply. Cases nibi wa form no mount no quine say will be display or cratchy powers. Because Sabio to say in your bay offering. Form the baby son said, do you have sole responsibility? Answer yes. That's it. And carry bill. But say I could not apply the British passport, man. How do you say sole responsibility? Relationship never break it down. Only a colana net. What in the tone in the school, what in the GP for the inoculation or area out in the GP. ABR gymnastics, football, swimming, account. Mokwa sorry.
Yeah.
So I'm man was setting it out in a covering letter. Apart from that, application be important. So we better draw in the Human Rights Act of 1996 and then the Human Rights Act and as a convention of 1951.
Then it's cried there, so almost standard letter. No, it raises human rights issues in Yama said about it.
Because you refuse to work. Now, case in a human rights case, only in country right of appeal.
Okay.
And ultimately, can't say, what I can say, I'm also relying on Article 8. What I want to mean, I'm also relying on Article 8 because of my child, because of our family life. Both Article 8.1 and 8.2. Very, very important. Say, Obayasa, as I refuse to work, in country right of appeal. I just saw my certification under Section 94.
Okay. We have a 10-year route no so. Now we renew 2.5 no already. Still qualifies to between switch to 5-year route.
Absolutely. You bet me a switch 5 years any time. Then you name say more the mamo exceptionally under EX1 no more 10-year route. Because one of the essential requirements under the ELTRPT 1.1 they call 4.2 immigration status. And so when immigration status you switch out because of Obama and they call EX1. EX1 no the final exceptional requirement. To say exception to be chosen Obama free in car British national absolutely so was here man over 10 years. But we will switch here. We will free EX1 and we want about immigration rules, including all the requirements under ELTP 1.1 to 4.2 are we use EX1 work, English language, immigration status. Yes, all immigration status. I was also do pay slips come on. I was also English language at A1. So what's our name and saying? So we did 2 years, our 10-year route, and I said we did 5 years, our 10-year route. You can still switch to the 5-year route. I don't know yet immigration, full immigration application under ELTPT.
We say EU ni Nigerian or Spain. We apply say we joining 5 months ago. Up to now, visa no yemfa eman. I don't obey. I can't delay now.
Well, sir, you apply for the for EE requirements. 6 months. I will say at the man until 5 months 6 months. Obey me. I follow up.
Right. Over so at the same say me WhatsApp platform no more join kakranti. Me cost number for a few of them. Or say Emofrata I say child benefit be Emma Neba wedi 10 years. Why yeah obey a British citizen to say or British passport. Can there be any arrears for him as he has never been giving any benefit? or benefits no any arrears na
yeah, child benefits no you the amount from data or your application no. To your application I am for about. So your application wait me online and also on the telephone. And we are online immediate. After a month now about my back date to start dating now we
the application. And yet say 10 years there back. Masa so oh dear my father sir. I mean in share we were a break crazy pair of women in me say and to me janko be man but my fa call me. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
That is saying,
Hey, yo, that's right.
and Yamia Dum, and Yanko Ben in Casa, why?
Okay.
Yet you.
Yes.
Okay.
Mpasha mo.
Me a pensioner.
Aha.
Na me say adoption no kind na ma me free.
Aha.
So me pensioner make me adopt to dia na.
Be man ko ntimi adopt to akola.
Oh.
Ya Ghana ya law no be man ko ntimi adopt to akola. Oba nko abetimi, be ma warefo ebetimi. But be man ko ntimi adopt to akola wa Ghana.
Na so any meaning 72.
Yeah. Why?
Go say, okay. Zero to you.
It is a baby casa. It's all girlfriend.
Now, another question was so now. My picking another call. Unfortunately, it's our call across so it's me and so. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That is it.
When is the right for you to apply for it?
Well, it depends on route. Minimum you're 5 years, maximum you're 10 years.
Okay.
Or do you figure on a buy and answer now you're student to handle
I
have 5 years.
Normally 2 years, 10 months.
Yeah, meaning the 2 months, 2 years, about 30 months. No Kragana, if you got about the 3 months count, 33. Anyway, once I watched and I had also about 2 years, 10 months.
2 years, 10 months.
Oh, okay, yeah, extra negusuno. Because Nkofu be your mom of this and I'm buy immediately. And when you did 20, when you did 30 months, which is 2.5 years, I'll bet me I for another 2.5 years. Why? Okay, good luck. Good luck. That's okay.
You see that's say. Let's try one voice note now. Yeah, okay. Me have a whole phone to so me with that say. Thank you. Oh. Voice. Oh, Mama Nyamisa. Mama Nyamisana. Ezana, Mama, I didn't know after medicine. I mean, I hope so. We soon you.
Volume no phone.
So, what's one day? Clear binti me skip with the microphone before Friday. I never could talk about me. Miss our question will be over.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Brother Cool, I'm saying
Okay, I'll go in.
Yeah, I'm saying voice in the crowd. Anyway, first of all, I'm saying voice referring to this Obama application on the Mawa Ghana. To Ghana documents normally call Ghana. I had the end so once why application online, Yamao appointment when your reference number. I had the end Sheffield. na wo say call immediately ana Ghana de no nso a I was on the corner and also time appointment time so I'm on the call. Because when you have application online, you have appointment, when your reference number, I had the all the reference number no, a cover letter, and the cover documents in who post on immediately I am better so be trained because I'm share application in more Ghana view. Aha, I'm on the ban you shemo to a better so the man call. Na Ghana de no so many be free Ghana brewo wo ntimi ngi Ghana de no ha nko Sheffield and on the call Ghana because so mu original no Ghana na omode application ama e wa ha na ha for my decision
we AB so say the cousin a retained right application due to abuse and your physical abuse or the evidence I can hold letter if in software extra counseling sessions or what and a personal statement letter and what day a copy of divorce certificate, any dissolution of marriage certificate, any photocopy of the passport since Bema is not ready to give any supporting document out of the back home and home office. I say a letter was then written and instructed the home office to contact the HRM said the Juma year even though he's worked for 5 years still I'm refuse soon no and now or court hearing the chances and they saying so good or quarter or Juma at the moment na senior no the chances it here.
Well, first of all no lawyer for no your tools are you use tools maybe the way no your first tool or back set out a case and I can say way I follow within the discretion I was a Secretary of State in the use no use to section 40 now the Bisa Inland Revenue for no 1 year. Immediately, why you appeal when you have a reference number, the application now rely on the 2012 rules, Immigration Appeal Procedure Rules, First Tier Tribunal. I catch the judge, now on your direction to the Secretary of State or to HM Revenue and Customs, provide you with your full name, date of birth, nationality, NI number. Possibly places are much national than you know, and a baby office away. Court to no direction. No, now I directed that the Secretary of State or the HM Revenue and Customs, someone yet disclosure. Use the procedure rules, no, not for request is added.
Okay, we was sending voice note 4 weeks in it. As I was sending no dana voice notes any Jumano. Any na Francis me but your compipra kafra facha me why and yet that no masha see again you did not play my voice note. Compipra we didn't come on voice note is obi didn't come on makase compipra di ni nti kwa me so send my our messenger so our Facebook me for the man can next week obo be ya no ma wa so na se na we see bomb so boy dey obi so be say akaben kwan ben so no betimi afa any capacity ben no betimi agina so na immigration fees at 2 minutes be na ye increase no obetimi challenge.
Well, I mean, you know, option there will be a friend review review or more fees, you know, or more impact review and impact na ya normal review in immigration will be almost a sound of the impact review number. But some feel say a problem with the court no challenging.
Way and the church was say also who the difference between naturalization and reregistration. Which one of them can be revoked and upon which basis?
Revoke, but usually with the registration, no. A colano started time under 18. The revocation is very, very difficult. Obi so no nya revocation or nya registration through the papa or British. And so the revocation no a problem. But no nyina yetimi revoke. And men deceive who cry and say or register kola yetimi revoke or betimi revoke.
Abishan for Benny Amotsen and K a senior partner at BWF Solicitors. On here legal education yawada anopebia a free anopanon cron and they could say non do. Na BWF Solicitors omo emrenim fo a omo eboyen kwan bebre so say about immigration issues say eba no say yinsika japade ho nsem se ba no social nsem yanko court enni wachi openi aye no ka say a member of the family panel ewo UK ha enunti say eba na busu nsem eba ware sam ne ade a ote mu pa o kan ye pa ukọ ye law firm no mu nso a lawyer for wo ho ni nyina eboa edijumedi no mane fe omo ewo ana house no mu ewo Seven Sisters ana house ya making ewo Seven Sisters train station the top wa it is our train na underground we see ewo Seven Sisters use exit number 2 upie e dan see when him chinchin so no any ana house no fe omo ye juma Monday to Friday 9:30 anopa ekosi anwumre 6 o'clock number no 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and answer 077 1276 1884 Mrs. our number no so 077 1276 1884 Kaise Yawada di enimu so yene Uncle Ben ebeshia na sani ye tradition city no Uncle Ben di bibi ebeja ya sani akwa Uncle Ben
yeah kweku em say catch be na o bisa question ana adeni try em so be free cat and voice
note no
I concern with community and I concern and sometimes and I do get it be one cost in tea or be quack what we do get to this be brain so when media command lawyer be na afi be renami but that is a difference and intina de be my mama advice what do case in court fako be you registered and are you registered with the OISC and I say or you solicitor to say yeah and I say or you barrister with public access Mr. what do case come out be now feel say F4 until what they are command now you pay for it in the long run. I'm sorry, but you know that's the bottom line. Because first of all, you're registering to review okay? Only who I was 70 upon because we'll be anywhere better than the chairman. And on you regulated. And to say, I tell no deal last back could be a buyer, but I'm saying, woman, I say, baby, or choir, and I just said, or reception. Who do I assume you hope? Papa be, you know, Ghana, maybe. Or 10 hours, 2 hours, choir, paying away see for my quarter the cable. And he would tell you, what in town, one singer can catch on come to blues. But the bottom line is, sir, would deal with fees a chinty, over court, will be on your regulated. That's fine. Because solicitors, you know, your cost, I was here. Your cost with insurance, your cost with staff, or staff pension. Will be a year, mama, maybe, it's a pension, it's an anna, will be so a while, said you know, maybe a dire woman, you know, maybe a 12 foot by 10 foot, and no penny any overheads. And you want to be found compared. I mean, what worries me is, so the panel you're registered. Now, do case come on. And we do get that a lot. And I keep telling Professor, what do was some more come out here? First of all, you sure say, oh, yeah, solicitor. And I say, oh, yeah, registered OISC. I am man of permission. Say, obey to me, I am immigration rules. Come on, law, only to me now, you bet me do to prison. I am immigration law. I am regulated. So, person Africa for a prisoner. OISC on my website. Nakorenko for within the last week, last month, last year, last 2 years, you do to prison because on your solicitor, on your obi are regulated, on your registered, are important. So the was some more. First of all, she said, Medina Watcher, solicitor can one. Company no here, Jumamana, she said, solicitor, Eka. Law Society website, Correction or what? What do you mean, she know your solicitor? Every year, I mean, you know, every year. So, your solicitor, called OISC, Correction. Say, or you're registered. So, I am damaged. Now, you know documents here. It doesn't matter our expertise. Sometimes we try and go back to the Home Office. I bet you data request. You recreate as a sit down for. Very expensive, but I keep saying, say if you pay for sport power, you will get sport power. And I won't even compare apple and orange.
Garbage in, garbage out. That's
the bottom line. The skill set is there. Obia charge no skill set room. Now, and I'm very proud to say, I'm a barrister and I'm a solicitor. I've been a barrister for 25 years, and I've been a solicitor since 1999, and also 18 years. Now, 25 years experience, now, apart from that, we belong to a panel. Now, to get on the panel, I was say we exhibited exceptional skill and knowledge, and that's why I'm both on the family panel and an immigration panel. And your charges not reflecting your experience and our overheads. And you won't be in fact be a solicitor and compare with your solicitor. We feel we the other. It's absolutely no going to be compared. And again, I'm proud to say, your success rate is over 90 on applications, on appeals is in the upper 90s.
Right.
And it's important. So we could be we check his and as I repeat again, our success rate is over 90%. The year 10 cases, we win 9. The year 100, we need at least 90. But even with the appeals, the success rate is in the upper 90s. And that is a difference, because we also cost an inti. My papa be to have a deal or say, the barber fell a form. But I keep saying, when you for I got to a trouble and you're down near Mount Quine for. We had to say your surgery. You crown 9 Sunday will see you try into to me and Shannon. Now be a con who be your shows at the very least on your solicitor or you're registered and regulated.
Alkiveni da CP Mosai Ehuyen Ewo Facebook Live Rainbow Radio UK. Nyame aduma same time next week. You better Uncle Ben nka ebio na fe or the another edition e de abranya. Busia for ha na ye demo ebesi. Nyame